Hey everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmutov, and today I want to show you an assertion from my Cypress-map plugin. Imagine you have a couple of elements on the page. These are li elements, write code, add tests, pay $10 fine, and you want to confirm the precise text inside one element or all elements. You can confirm the precise text by using the element, so to-dos, li, let's say first element, and using should have text built-in cy.get query assertion. So in this case, the precise text would be write code. One note, if you use cy contains, so we're gonna just find the note with write code, it uses partial text match. So for example, if I say write c, it still finds the first element in the list. It's kind of similar to include text assertion right here, or I think contain is the same. What about several elements? If you want to confirm the precise text in all three elements, how would you do it? So this is where my custom assertion read comes into play. So it comes from Cypress-map plugin, and I'll link the plugin in the description of this video. But you can say, okay, the first element should have or should read write code, then the next one write tests, and the last element has text or should have text fine. Okay, so 3 elements equals 3 text strings. If you have a wrong number of elements, then the assertion will fail, still retrying, getting the elements, getting the text content, retrying. So if you have, let's say, $20 fine, then the number of elements is equal, but the text content of one of them is incorrect. And the next big feature in this assertion is that it supports regular expressions. So for example, if you don't know what is the fine, you can still confirm the text content, and in this case maybe say, should be dollar amount. So you can mix and match strings and regular expression, or use all strings or all regular expressions. So pretty useful assertion. Just like Cypress-map is a part of pretty much all my Cypress projects. It contains lots of custom queries, useful commands, and useful assertions. So I'm going to put the link to this recipe and to Cypress-map in the description of this video.